Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 17th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number let me zoom this. This will be number 8917. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. 17, that's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. This one is very quick to solve without comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Correction, the Jigsaw Sudoku. See you in a minute. Bye bye for now.